Ayan, so I just fixed my hair. Now, let's start with the primer. I'm already done moisturizing my face. So, magpa-primer na lang ako. And right, so next, you know this already. The ft.EVERBELINA. That's for my foundation. And, yan, I'm going to use a sponge. Ayan, so tapos na ako. After the foundation, hindi na ako magpa-primer. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng dito, yung concealer. Kasi ayaw ko yung nagko-concealer. Nagki-crease kasi dito. So, I will just go straight on my powder, which is this one. Right, so for my brows, yung ft.EVERBELINA and brunette. And now let's proceed to eyeshadow. And so I will be using a concealer as my primer for my eyeshadow. So, I will be using this palette for my eyeshadow. And to set this one, I will use the same powder. And so that's my transition color. Now let's move to a darker one. Yan, so ayan yung concealer natin, but sorry, wala tayong shimmer dito, so I will be taking from this Iconic and Mixed Metals. And then after that, I'm going to take the darkest color again here. And dito sa outer V again to intensify the After this, I will take this one, medyo brown. I will smudge the eyeliner. Again, I'll take the Careline eyeliner. Tapos, susundan natin yung gel eyeliner na smudge. Now, let's put some lashes. Okay, so after this, we will finish this with blush. So again, this nude. Here. For my contour, I am going to use the same palette. This dark. So I'm taking again the chocolate palette. From the chocolate palette, I'm going to take the darkest brown, and then I'm going to dab it on my lips to make a brownish shade of lipstick. Now let's clean the edges with a concealer and we're done. Oh wait, I forgot my highlighter, so I'm taking this ft.EVERBELINA highlighter stick in order to finish up the look.